And our next excellent experience is all about archiving your amazing memories. The Legacybox is a really cool company that helps you declutter and preserve important videos and pictures. And it's time to go digital, people.
Yes, it is.
So with this experience, you can easily convert those irreplaceable memories trapped on, as you can see here, some people probably don't even know what some of this stuff is, but these are various video footages that have been like a VHS. I think that's an 8-track.
Well, yeah, this one was like in a camera around the 90s that my dad used to use, this little guy.
This little tape piece and like
even know what that
classic
is.
black and white photos and color movie film, like amazing stuff that they can have you essentially send to them, and it's captured and preserved in digital files.
Which is brilliant. So here's how this is gonna work. You're gonna load up a Legacybox just like this with your home movies and pictures, and in a few weeks, you'll get your originals back, plus a new digital keepsake. So if that sounds a little bit scary, know that Legacybox has been around for more than a decade and has converted the memories of 500,000 families.
And they are US made, founded. It gets shipped to a US address.
This is going to Chattanooga, Tennessee.
Yep, Tennessee, our East Coast peeps. So you send your materials to Legacybox, and magically it comes back like this. And you will get, with any kit that you get out of the sale, they all come with the thumb drive and the digital download. So what's really cool is this will give you 2 options to share amongst your family, friends, those memories. If you want to include even another option, once they've given you both those digital and the thumb drive, you could do on their site an add-on for like the DVD of everything. But you get all this back. It's digitized in 2 forms with our kits, which is like awesome deal. So I'm super excited because we're offering different packages. If you wanted to start and try out just 2 items, up to 40.
Wow.
So we have 2 items, 10 items, 20, and then 40. And then in the sale, the combination of how you send the materials, like if it's 40 choice of the trunk kit, it's like 40 films, 40 photos. It's like 40 sets of 25. So it's really itemized out there. The actual box comes with the itemized kind of welcome kit of all the barcodes, so it's applicable, and it's honestly one that I would rather do because everyone thinks they're going to get to it and go to a Container Store and do all this digitizing,
and
a lot of places don't even accurately know how to digitize memories in the way that they do.
I love this. Brian Velvet says, I'm a man and I love FabFitFun and I'm a member. Yes, Brian.
Yes.
So it's great that I'm seeing options for us guys, since I'm sure I'm not the only guy. Brian. Yep. Yes. Lorna Jean says, my winter box will be my second box. I'm so excited. Love FFF. And Deb Peterson wants to know, when can quarterly FFF members shop add-ons? Thursday, November 14th, 9 a.m. Pacific time is when the sale will open, all access.
Yes.
Yes. And the other thing I love about this is I had converted everything from VHS to DVD, and now I don't even have a DVD player. So now I need to reconvert. So having that thumb drive and the digital download, you're covered.
So it's super, super nice to have that. And Legacybox, being that they are US, they're super open to, like, they have a concierge if you need to call and you have questions and stuff like that. So it's a good company. And I was like super stoked because they're family oriented and they can capture pictures well.
We have one more question coming in. I hope you can answer. Constance McKenzie says, is an item a single photo or a set of photos?
No, so it's 25 is a set. So in the sale, Constance, you'll see for like the 2-item thing, it would be like sorry, I'm going off the top of my head, but you'll see it's like 25 set. So like the 40 is 40 sets of 25 pictures.
40 sets of 25
Yeah, so
pictures.
like 40 films. So the pictures are 25 for a set. So that would be applicable then to like the 2 kit, the 10 kit, the 20, and the 40. But it's itemized in there exactly how they kind of calculate
how the breakdown
for
is.
whatever your kit is.
And this is why she's here. Great. And if while you're sifting